Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, back with our next watercolor fun basics series. I've got my water, my medium paintbrush, my watercolor paper, which you'll notice has some smeared paint on it from our last project on accident, but that's okay, and my praying watercolors, which are my favorite for beginners. Today we're going to practice our line making skills with a paintbrush rather than sketching or drawing things out with a pencil first. We're just going straight in with the paintbrush, and we're going to be creating stacking triangles. It doesn't matter what size they are in comparison to each other. Our goal here is to have them touch a little bit like we've done with circles before, so that the watercolor gets to bleed and kind of play together, and you can see how that works. But the real skill that we're practicing, or the technique that we're practicing, is making straight lines with the paintbrush without drawing or measuring it out beforehand. So take it nice and slow. This does take practice. My lines are fairly straight, but I've been painting for a really long time. So this is a skill that is worth practicing, but it will probably take you some time. So we're really just going to fill the whole page. I think I've got room for 3 lines of stacked triangles, and I'm just going through and making each one a different color. You can absolutely do whatever you want. If you have a super duper favorite color, go ahead and just use that one if you'd like. But again, part of the fun of this is to see how the watercolors interact together. So that's why I like using lots of different colors. Ooh, see, that was a fun one with the yellow bleeding into the red. So I'll speed this up. It's a simple project today, but one that might take you a little bit more time than you would expect.